Hey everyone. So I'm Ralph Edward Saw and I'm going to be talking about the Solaris operating system, or how we call it, the Solaris OS. So the topics for the day would be the history, a brief history only, the similarities of Solaris and Linux, because I chose Linux because Linux is one of the famous operating systems also that we currently use today, the benefits of using Solaris, the conclusions and recommendations that I can give. So like it's my personal conclusions and recommendations. So history of Solaris operating system. It was a proprietary Unix operating system, so that means that its base or structure was created from the Unix OS. It was developed by Sun Microsystems in the year 1992. There was already a Sun OS that time, so Solaris just more or less replaced the Sun OS. So after that, it was bought by Oracle in the year 2010, and then it also changed its name to Oracle Solaris. So the similarities of Solaris and Linux. So both are Unix-like systems, so that means both their structure is what I said a while ago, is that Solaris was based off Unix, so also Linux is also based off Unix. So to be precise and um, to be more clear, the things that make them similar is the virtual memory process, the kernels, paging, system calls, buffer, cache, multiprocessor support, CPU scheduling and support, resource controls, and map files. So next would be the benefits of using Solaris. So the first one would be portability. This enables application developers to reduce software development costs and bring products to market quickly, and enables users to upgrade hardware while retaining their software applications and minimizing conversion costs. So next would be scalability. So from the word scalability, you can think that it will work for all for like a varied range of devices. So basically, this means that the Solaris operating environment runs on machines of all sizes, from laptops to supercomputers. Next, interoperability. This enables users to develop strategies for communicating throughout their network. So this means that in your network, you can just communicate to anyone as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Next, compatibility. Um, it's more of like wherein it's to minimize the cost and maximize the investment of a certain user when they get the Solaris OS. So it would work for like a longer period of time because it's compatible to a lot. It's more compatible and it's more long. So next would be my own personal recommendation. So what I see, or what I feel about Solaris is that it's just better for companies and not really for a personal use, because their main their main benefits would be like interoperability, which is throughout a network. So if you were just like one person or like using it for two, then it wouldn't be as useful. And like let's say um, its application development and maintenance costs are lower, and application portability is also better. So I feel like the ones who would benefit from the Solaris OS the best would be companies, and not, especially that it can only be used from laptops to supercomputers. I mean, most of us use our cell phones, so I think it would be maybe like companies or schools or call centers, and that's it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.